Hi, how you doing? So we're going to cook some very simple pumpkin today with some turmeric, garlic, and as you can see, some chili on the top there. Really beautiful, Ethiopian style. So this would be called Duba. Duba is the word for pumpkin. I'm going to try and use as many Amharic words as I know, and I don't know loads, to be honest. So, and if I make a mistake, maybe some of you Ethiopian guys and girls out there can correct me. But yeah, I'm going to try. Amharic, by the way, is the national language of Ethiopia. There are many of them, by the way. Okay, that's it. Let's get moving. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. And it's very, very few ingredients, by the way. So we've got some pumpkin. I've cut it into kind of that size. Cut it smaller or larger if you want. 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garlic. So let me just tell you the names of those things in Amharic. So pumpkin is duba, onion is shinkut, garlic is nech shinkut, which means white onion, and turmeric is erd. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add some salt, some black pepper. It's really, really easy. So frying pan, skillet, or saucepan, up to you. I'm going with this kind of little woky thing. I've got in there 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using an olive oil. The word for oil in Amharic is zait. We're going to start off by dropping in 1 cup of onion or shinkut. And I've just put the heat on. We're on a medium heat. We're going to go for around 4 to 5 minutes. So just as the onions or the shinkut start to wilt a little bit, I'm now going to go in with my garlic or nech shinkut, and that goes. Tablespoon there, chunky cut. And then we're going to add the duba or the pumpkin. Like I say, so easy, this dish. I'm now going to add some black pepper or kondo berberi and salt. Which is pronounced chow. I think. I always get that one a bit mixed up. Okay, so we're going to stay on this medium heat and we're going to go for about 5 minutes now, and we're going to be stirring this really quite often. Beautiful. So the pumpkin or the duba is just starting to go, but still hard at this stage. Next up, we're going to add in the turmeric or erd. I'm going to give that a mix. If you wanted, you could be adding some ginger into this as well. Like when we put the garlic in, you could be adding ginger as well, which is zinjibur in Amharic. Let me grab some water, some cold water or wuha, and just a little bit, not too much. Or tinish, which means small, a small amount of wuha. And then we're just going to cook this until the duba or the pumpkin is nice and tender. It's probably going to take about another 5 or 6 minutes. And that's looking fabulous. Now, if you want, you can get it as wet or as dry as you want. I kind of quite like this sort of consistency. But yeah, you can add some more water to it if you want, or even keep going for a little bit and dry it out. But for me, that's good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chili. Green chilies there, which I've taken the seeds out, cut them down the middle like that. Now, I'm not going to be putting them in. I'm going to put them on top when I serve. Just check that for salt. For me, that's beautiful, really nice and easy. So there you go, just a really simple, beautiful dish this is, of pumpkin or duba, just with some turmeric or erd. And as you can see, I've put the fresh chili, which by the way is karia in Amharic, on the top there. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.